Yeah, the matter wey carry me come today na matter about Chad and Boko Haram. I no know whether una don see the videos wey dey viral now wey dey reign. Na say Chad, as small as dem dey enter battle with Boko Haram, dem still deal with dem, kill dem. You know say like last 3 weeks Boko Haram dem go attack Chad people. Dem kill about 70 people. You understand? Burn most of their houses as they normally dey do for Nigeria. So but this time now na the Chad president na him lead this troop. He come move with him men. He say this kind thing we no go fit take am. Na see all of them dey do Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Na see because shey you know they say a guy no fit guide a guy. So the man vex. The thing vex this man so that the man enter street. As the man enter street na him just pack him men carry him through. Then enter Borno for Maiduguri. Na him then start to dey kill Boko Haram like say. And this matter wey we dey hear so na matter wey be say Nigerian military e don take them more than 5 years. E don take Nigerian military more than 5 years for them to embark on this journey just to defeat Boko Haram. Now Boko Haram now don come become cow wey dey come dey pet. Dem be tell us 2015 say this cow dey wan go kill am, that is Boko Haram. But now as we give them the time wey dem come with their change, the Boko Haram now up till today, as me and you dey talk, they see dey kill more Nigerians. Many Nigerians don become slaves. Many Nigeria don become homeless. Many Nigeria don become immigrants for their motherland, and which is not supposed to be. And we say we get a president, we say we get the leaders wey still dey, and all this thing continue to dey happen. You go come wonder. Today dem talk we go hear say dem the Boko Haram dem go this village, dem kill people wey dey there. In fact e burn their houses. Tomorrow we go hear say the same Boko Haram dem enter for one school, dem go carry like the Chibok girls, dem go carry all those Chibok girls, dem carry all of them. Still wetin Nigeria need to do? If you ask El-Rufai wetin he talk that time, he say if na money dem want make e give them. If you want the video I fit give you the video. But wetin dey pay me be say upon the whole money wey dem still spend to please this Boko Haram on Chibok girl, the worst time say the Boko Haram go use the money, they go dey buy ammunition, they go dey store am so that they be able to strike again. Who dey give them motor? The motor wey dem dey use, who dey give them? The machine gun wey dem dey use, who dey give them? All the AK-47, who dey give them? Na the same Nigeria. Na the same Nigerian government na im dey sponsor these people. And up till today we get all the service chiefs, all the whole military and service chief, all of them na from the north. About let me just say 95% of them na from the north. And still wetin see the border Nigeria, see the border Nigeria, wetin see the key Nigeria, see the key Nigeria. I no know wetin una feel, but my own the thing just touch me say how okay the civil war of 1967, how many the Nigerian versus the Biafrans, how many years e last? 3 years. Okay, this Boko Haram wey dem say dem be terrorists, this Boko Haram now how many years they don dey fight dem since 2015 to 2020? na how many years? Na you go still judge am as you dey watch me so. But up till today e get some, the worst of it say some parts still dey claim say dem be one Nigeria, dem be one Nigeria, dem be one Nigeria. When we no be one Nigeria, everybody dey live better life. When outside dey take care of themselves, Yoruba dey take care of themselves, if the Eastern dey take care of themselves. I mean the Eastern, you know wetin I mean by the old Eastern region, because we are all Eastern up to today. Forget all these political norms wey dem dey use. Up to today everybody dey live fine, but wetin come dey happen? The Boko Haram now we come become, we don enter federalism. Now e come be say na him be the worst. All power dey go for the center. Na him come be the worst. For how many years? 5 years you see dey fight Boko Haram. Just only one attempt of the Chad of the Chad president, Idris. Only just one attempt. See how many guys, how many the wetin he cover. See wetin the man don cover. How you know how many guns he recover? Okay, just watch.
de rassemblement des armes.
you see the ammunition wey dem recover. You see how dem dey celebrate for only one attempt, only one strike. You know that time wey we dey small, they tell us P-Square say do me I do you, man no go vex. You understand? This one, as Boko Haram dem kill the Chadians, dem go attack them, dem kill so many number, burn their house. Now Chad now they don retaliate, and this time now all the money wey Nigerian dey spend for the Nigerian military, like this year now they spend about 2.8 billion. All that money dem use am buy ammunition give Nigerian military to fight Boko Haram. Now the same Boko Haram, they still dey kill Nigerian military, they collect all this ammunition. Now the Chad now don go fight the Boko Haram, they don kill them in numbers, still collect all this. So next year na go still come tell us say na wan do another project for military, because now all the almost 95% of the military for the service chief, all of them na northerners. Na know wetin na dey do, and I still make us remain. They say we go remain for one Nigeria, but no be that one come be the matter, because many people now don dey talk wetin me I dey think, this one dey think so, wetin me I dey try to insinuate now. Many people don dey reason and this thing they don dey check and dey balance and dey calculate themselves. They don dey feel and say this thing e get how this water use enter the pot of the potters. You know wetin I mean? But in another sense, okay, watch 1, 2 or 3 view from
are taking place all over the county have become what I can describe as an enterprise. It is very, very clear that the dramatist personnel in the war theater in the northeast are not interested in ending the war, because the war itself has become a very fat cow that is being milked on daily basis, and people are generating a lot of money. Otherwise, there is no reason whatsoever, Mr. Speaker, for the embarrassing reversals of the successes achieved, especially from 2015 to date. Mr. Speaker, part of the resolution of this House must include the total withdrawal of all these armed forces in that area and their immediate replacement with a new breed of soldiers to be deployed immediately, because some of them have overstayed in that place. They are tired of war. They want to go back home, and in line with the tradition of war and deployments, when a soldier is deployed to an area and he is tired, he is replaced immediately. You cannot take a soldier to the war front and leave him there for several years. So, Mr. Speaker, this war has been too long. In fact, the civil war lasted for only 3 years. Why should a war involving ragtag, lumping vagabonds last for 7 or 10 years? So it's really unfortunate. So part of our resolution must be the total withdrawal. There is something called shame. Those security chiefs just sit down and think about what is happening now in this country. Are you pleased? Are you proud? Will it be that in your time, this country will degenerate to such a level and you proudly refer to yourself as a security chief in this nation? I think some people should resign.
There will be a time where God can vindicate me through either this chamber or through Nigeria. Sir, today, as we can see it vividly, whether I was the one that was right and they were wrong, and vice versa, only God can judge that, and Nigerians can equally judge today. Substantial part of areas occupied by Boko Haram in the Hitotop point is still under the occupation of Boko Haram. I still maintain my position. Another thing, Your Excellency, I'm even surprised. And I will move
Well, at this point, na hear from these people. At this point, I don't know wetin I think. But na wetin I dey think before, but wetin me I fit suggest na if the country too big for one person to handle, e better make we share am. If we divide the Nigeria into three, at least one part, if you say the northern region, there go still plenty pass Togo, there go still plenty pass even the Chad wey dem dey talk about. The western region, the Oduduwa Republic, there go still plenty pass even Ghana, even the Chad, there go still plenty pass them. If we say the eastern region now, the whole eastern region, if you say make them, there go still plenty as a nation. So wetin me I think, I don't know wetin I think, we get about 36 or 38 states for Nigeria, because na 36 that year, yes, that time wey we dey small, we dey do state and capital, Abia, Umuahia. Now I believe say now they come add like FCT and their wuruwuru political this thing. Even the thing me say I no come dey interested, because even the school nobody help. Okay, now wetin me I dey think now, if the Nigeria too big for one person to handle, make dem divide am into three. As we use be Wazobia, we know ourselves. Make the Yoruba Rewa, make dem go. Make the Zo, the Northerners, make dem go. And make the Biafra, make dem go. I don't know how wetin you think or how you feel about wetin I talk, but anything wey you feel put am down for the comment section, so that by next video, maybe if I dey come up, I go know how to direct my speech. But nevertheless, in this time now, time don reach wey be say we need to like start to dey like make the final decision. If our new shoe no fit us again, or we dey get problem with our new shoe, why not make we go back to our old shoe, make we go dey use the old shoe. I don't know whether you understand that joke. If our new shoe dey give us problem, or we no dey comfortable again with our new shoe, why not we go back to our old shoe? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don dey cry about this thing, don dey tell everybody, give us our nation, give us our nation, we no fit again. Me, I follow dey support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, give us our nation as Biafra. We go know how we go take care of ourselves. We go even know the people wey go dey enter our country. We go know how to arrange our things. And na so the Yoruba people, you give them their nation. Na so e be for my mouth o. As you see me, so na so e be for my mouth. Give the Biafrans their nation, give the Oduduwas their nation. Then if Arewa wan remain, make dem remain on their nation. Just make peace dey. Thank you very much.